So the team of writers for Migrations has been big. We've got 6 different writers working on it. I've also worked with Jasdeep on some of the Indian music in the Bollywood segment. Working on it was not like anything I've ever done before, because we started in a room with all the writers and myself and the director and the production staff, literally starting to kind of put together the different stories, seeing how they would interweave. And that process was at times challenging. More often than not, it was incredibly rewarding, and I learned so much from my fellow writers. And I also felt, working with them and them giving me their stories to write music for, I felt a real sense of responsibility to try and make sure that all the nuances of the different stories that are brought out by those different writers happen in the music. So there's a wide range of musical styles that I've used in Migrations, from kind of epic film style music, but there's also more perhaps musical theatre music, you would say. And there's also this Indian classical music, where I've been really fortunate to collaborate with Jasdeep Degun, who's an Indian classical musician based in Leeds, and he's helped us work on the Bollywood section. So I think if you're coming to hear Migrations, you're going to hear a big range of musical styles. In a sense, the music is only one part of an opera, it's a very important part. In this opera, the thing that's most challenging is that you keep on moving between stories. So, you know, there'll be a section of the pilgrims singing, and then we go into the birds, and then we go into the Cree Indian story. And trying to make sure that those layers were clear and that there was a kind of definition between the different storylines, but also that they had something that they shared, so that you feel they're part of the same thing. That was probably the biggest musical challenge, trying to gauge the music so that it was unique to each sequence, but also when I started stacking the music together at the end of Act 1 and then at the end of Act 2, that they can all build into a stack.